Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are safe from COVID. Yeah, this time it will be hard for you for traveling, or if you want to travel, you have to spend a lot of budget to go to travel right now. Luckily for me, because I'm living in Samui Island, I can have some beaches to relax, to explore. And this time I'm gonna bring you guys to the site of diving. For the first place, we're gonna go to the Sail Rock, where between Got Tao and Got Ngan. And for this time, the visibility in the Sail Rock was so clear, so amazing, incredible. I will just show you some video guys because I have problem with the file, but I still have some beautiful fish and incredible corals to show you. To a second dive. So yesterday I wasn't good because I could not equalize my ears. This time I'm gonna go to the Twin Japanese Garden or something like it in Ghana. Today we are gonna make it. We have the good instructor.
I need to practice that with it.
Alright, I hope you are enjoying my video and I hope you like it. If you like it, thumb up my video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time guys. Bye.